Welcome to this complete Bordeaux, France guide. Situated in the southwest of France, Bordeaux is a city that radiates timeless elegance and charm. This place is steeped in history and culture, with its roots tracing back to the Roman times. Bordeaux is an architectural marvel, boasting an ensemble of buildings and landmarks that are recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city is more than just a feast for the eyes, it's also a haven for the palate. Known as the world's wine capital, Bordeaux takes pride in its world-renowned wine production. With over 7,000 wine-producing chateaux, it's no wonder wine connoisseurs and enthusiasts flock to this city. But Bordeaux is more than just its wine. With its vibrant arts scene, picturesque landscapes and bustling markets, Bordeaux is a must-visit destination for any travel enthusiast. Now let's dive into 13 things you absolutely must do in Bordeaux. Our second stop is the iconic Bordeaux Opera House, also known as the Grand Théâtre de Bordeaux. Standing grandly in the heart of the city, this 18th century opera house is a testament to Bordeaux's rich cultural history. Its neoclassical facade, adorned with 12 Corinthian columns and statues of the 9 muses and 3 goddesses, is a sight to behold. But the Bordeaux Opera House is more than just its stunning architecture. It plays a pivotal role in the city's cultural scene, hosting a variety of performances throughout the year. Step inside and you'll be transported into a world of drama, music and dance. From opera and ballet to orchestral concerts and recitals, the Opera House offers something for every performing arts enthusiast. Its richly decorated auditorium, with its crystal chandelier and painted ceiling, creates a magical atmosphere that is sure to captivate you. From its grand architecture to its rich cultural offerings, the Bordeaux Opera House is a must-visit. This cultural landmark is a testament to Bordeaux's love for the arts and its dedication to preserving its cultural heritage. As we continue our journey through Bordeaux's cultural landscape, next we're off to the Bordeaux Public Library. This modern library is not just a house of books, but a hub for knowledge and education. With its vast collection of books, periodicals and digital resources, the library plays a vital role in promoting literacy and lifelong learning in the city. From literature and history to art and science, the library's rich resources cater to a wide range of interests. But the Bordeaux Public Library is not just about books. The library's architecture is a masterpiece in itself. The building, designed by the renowned architectural firm of Babin plus Renault, is a striking example of modern architecture. Its sleek lines, glass facade, and open spaces create an environment that encourages exploration and learning. The library's design is a testament to Bordeaux's commitment to blending tradition with innovation. Whether you're a bookworm or just appreciate good architecture, the Bordeaux Public Library is worth a visit. From its extensive collection to its modern architecture, the library is a symbol of Bordeaux's dedication to knowledge and education and a testament to the city's vibrant cultural scene. Leaving the quiet corners of the Bordeaux Public Library, our fourth stop is the lush and verdant Bordeaux Botanical Garden. This stunning garden is home to a multitude of plant species, a living testament to the biodiversity of the region. The garden is a silent symphony of nature, where every leaf, flower and tree tell a story of life's resilience and beauty. The Bordeaux Botanical Garden isn't just a place to marvel at the wonders of nature. It's also a center for promoting biodiversity and environmental education. Through its various exhibits and programs, the garden encourages visitors to learn about the importance of conservation and sustainable living. Whether it's a workshop on composting or a guided tour on the medicinal properties of plants, the garden is a vibrant classroom for people of all ages. The garden's design and layout are a feast for the eyes. Walking through the garden feels like stepping into a living painting with its carefully curated landscapes and thematic gardens. From the Japanese garden with its tranquil pond and cherry blossom trees to the Mediterranean garden with its aromatic herbs and olive trees, each corner of the garden offers a unique sensory experience. For nature lovers, the Bordeaux Botanical Garden is a must-visit. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature, learn about the importance of biodiversity, and leave with a deeper appreciation for our planet. From the rustle of leaves to the scent of blooming flowers, the garden is a symphony of sensations that will leave you refreshed and inspired. Finally, we're off to the Bordeaux City Hall. The City Hall is more than just a place of governance, it's a symbol of Bordeaux's rich history and cultural heritage. This historic building, also known as Palais Rohan, serves as the seat of the local government, but its significance extends far beyond its administrative role. The Bordeaux City Hall is an architectural gem. Built in the late 18th century, the building is a masterpiece of classical French architecture with its grand facade, intricate detailing, and opulent interiors. The City Hall's design reflects the city's prosperity and prestige during the Age of Enlightenment. Each room within the City Hall is a testament to the city's past, from the extravagant mayor's office to the solemn council chamber. But the City Hall isn't just about architectural beauty, it also plays a crucial role in Bordeaux's governance and administration. It's here where decisions are made, policies are shaped, and the city's future is charted. The City Hall is also a hub of cultural activities, hosting various exhibitions, concerts, and events throughout the year. From its historic significance to its architectural beauty, the Bordeaux City Hall is a must-visit. It's a place that encapsulates Bordeaux's past, present, and future, offering a unique insight into the city's identity and spirit. First on our list is the Place de la Bourse, a royal square that is an architectural marvel. Right in the heart of Bordeaux, this grand square is a stunning example of 18th century French classical architecture. Originally built as a royal plaza for the Dauphin, it stands as a testament to the city's prosperity during the Age of Enlightenment. But what makes the Place de la Bourse truly special is its symmetry, with its two identical rostral columns standing guard at either end of the square, a design that beautifully mirrors the Garonne River flowing nearby. It's a sight that is both pleasing to the eye and evocative of Bordeaux's rich history. From here we transition to another significant landmark, the Bordeaux Wine and Trade Museum. Nestled in a vaulted cellar from the 15th century, this museum is a treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of Bordeaux's wine trading history. From ancient wine presses to vintage wine labels, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into how Bordeaux became the wine capital of the world. The museum is not just about history, though. It also offers a range of interactive exhibits that let you explore the world of wine in a fun and engaging way. And of course, no visit would be complete without a wine tasting, where you can sample some of the region's finest vintages. From royal architecture to the rich history of wine, Bordeaux has already started to captivate your senses. Next, take a leisurely stroll along the scenic Garonne River. The river, a flowing ribbon of tranquility, winds its way through the heart of Bordeaux, flanked by charming promenades and punctuated by the occasional elegant bridge. It's a feast for the eyes, with landmarks aplenty, each with their own tales etched in stone. As you amble along, you'll soon spot a futuristic structure standing tall and proud by the water's edge. This architectural marvel is the Cité du Vin, a modern wine museum that's nothing short of a vinous voyage of discovery. Here, wine is celebrated in all its forms, from its history and cultural influence to the art of winemaking itself. Interactive exhibits bring the world of wine to life, giving you a multi-sensory experience that's both educational and entertaining. So, you've enjoyed a river walk and immersed yourself in wine culture, and we're just getting started. Now let's explore some of Bordeaux's historical and natural beauty. First on our list is the Bordeaux Cathedral, a stunning testament to Gothic architecture. With its towering spires and intricate stonework, it's a sight that's hard to miss. But it's not just about the aesthetics. This cathedral holds centuries of history within its walls. From the time of Eleanor of Aquitaine in the 12th century to the present day, it has been a beacon of faith and culture in the city. From there we transition to the Jardin Public, a literal breath of fresh air in the heart of the city. This public garden, with its wide-open green spaces and beautiful plant life, is a haven for nature lovers and city dwellers alike. Here you can take a leisurely stroll along the winding paths or simply sit back and enjoy the tranquil surroundings. From stunning architecture to lush landscapes, Bordeaux never ceases to amaze. Ready for some more exploration? Let's head to the Miroir d'eau. This amazing pool creates a magical spectacle that's hard to resist. Here you'll find a surreal, mesmerizing experience blending urban art with nature. And on perfect days, you might feel like you're walking on clouds. Nearby, the Musée des Beaux-Arts awaits. This grand museum houses a diverse art collection spanning centuries. The grandeur of the architecture is worth the visit. Inside, you'll see works from masters like Picasso and Matisse and discover hidden gems from lesser-known artists. Each room tells a story, each piece a snapshot of time. It's a journey through history seen through the eyes of artists. Art, history, and unique experiences. Bordeaux truly has it all. Next, we're off to the largest city square in Europe. Quincuncis Square, a vast expanse of open space in the heart of Bordeaux, is a sight to behold. Its history echoes through time, with the square dating back to the early 19th century. It was initially conceived as a testament to the French Revolution, symbolizing freedom and democracy. Today it's a bustling hub of activity, with regular markets, fairs and concerts. Just a stone's throw away, we find ourselves at the Saint-André Cathedral, an architectural marvel that has stood the test of time. Its construction spans several centuries, with the oldest sections dating back to the 11th century. As you step inside, the cathedral's grandeur is overwhelming, showcasing the intricate detail of Gothic architecture. The cathedral's towering spires and stunning stained glass windows are a testament to Bordeaux's rich history and cultural heritage. Bordeaux is a city that beautifully blends the old with the new. We're nearing the end of our journey, but there's still so much to see. Let's delve into the Musée d'Aquitaine, a time capsule of Bordeaux's rich history from prehistoric times to today. Marvel at the Gallo-Roman statues and Merovingian jewelry and reflect on Bordeaux's role in the Atlantic slave trade. Just a short walk away, find Rue Sainte-Catherine, a shopper's haven. From chic boutiques to quaint bookshops, there's something for everyone. Treat your taste buds at a cafe or restaurant, savoring French delicacies or international cuisine. Don't rush, take it slow, sit back with a coffee and watch life unfold. Next, we marvel at the Grand Théâtre de Bordeaux. This 18th century, with its Corinthian columns and muse-decorated facade, is a spectacle of opulence. Inside, be engulfed in grandeur with an ornate dome and chandeliers. It's not just a theatre, it's Bordeaux's love letter to the arts. If you catch a performance, you'll be part of a centuries-old tradition, and there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the marvelous city of Bordeaux.